Energy costs are not decreasing, and every day we need to consider more green, efficient strategies for our companies. At the heart of factories and distribution centers are complex components, all which consume electricity. While many have turned to high-efficient electric motors to cut costs, many have overlooked a critical component with even more cost-saving potential. That is the worm gearbox. Worm gearboxes are everywhere. They're the easiest way to convert high-speed power from an electric motor into a usable low-speed, high-torque form required by everyday conveyors, mixers, hoists, and countless other applications. Almost every material handling or manufacturing facility has worm gears in operation, each one operating at efficiency levels that are far outdated. Hub City Incorporated has developed a new gear drive platform designed to cut electricity consumption within manufacturing systems by up to 40%. That's right, 40%. Hub City's new drive, known as HERA, not only delivers twice the torque of traditional worm gear drives, but also does it with a 90% efficiency rating. Traditional drives are typically 40 to 85% efficient, wasting a lot of electricity. This demonstration shows a traditional worm gearbox operating next to a HERA, both performing the same task. As you can see, HERA is driving the exact same load, the same torque and speed as the worm reducer, yet it is using less energy. In addition to the energy savings in the gearbox, the application that once required a 3-horsepower motor with a worm reducer can now be operated with a smaller reducer and a 1.5-horsepower motor. Traditionally, when you buy a unit of electricity, 12% of that power is lost due to the inefficiency of the electric motor, then another 38% is consumed by the worm gearbox inefficiency. Only 50% of the electricity you paid for is converted to usable power. With a HERA replacement strategy, combined with high-efficient electric motors, we now see that 10% of that power is lost due to the inefficiency of the electric motor, and a mere 9% is used to drive the HERA gearbox. This results in 81% of the electricity you paid for being put to productive use. The motor can be half the size, and HERA generates far less heat due to reduced friction. Our HERA product comes in 4 different sizes, is highly versatile, and with expansion plates can readily replace nearly all existing worm gear products. Hub City has developed an online calculator so you can see for yourself how much money you will save by converting to these gear drives. Just one HERA drive could save up to $1,000 a year. Multiply that by several hundred units, depending on your operation, and a HERA replacement strategy pays for itself within a year. HERA, which is American engineered and manufactured, requires the simplest installation of any on the market. No welding and no drilling. As your current worm gearboxes wear out, drop in HERA and start saving money. Talk to a sales representative today about a strategy to put HERA to work for you. Doing more with less energy. That's Hub City Innovation at work for you.